friends! Welcome back to my channel, my sunny babes. Let's get started. You better subscribe if you haven't already. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys what I do after I work out as far as skincare goes. And this is a before and after. So, we've got some pretty dehydrated skin right now just because I just worked out. And so my skin tends to soak in all the sweat and get very dehydrated, so I have to work on that. Before I finish this intro, I just want to say thanks to Jordan Barnett for making this intro music for me. He's amazing. As you can see, I'm just showing you guys how dehydrated my skin is, and let's get into it! So the first product that I take is the Dermalogica Double Cleanse Set. This is the pre-cleanse. It's a part of the set. The set is $10. And honestly, it's a really good deal. I've been using this for like a month. This is the Foreo Luna Play Plus. It's what I use to take everything off with. And honestly, you don't have to spend $49. You can find another one that's just as good. I just really like this one because I feel like it actually exfoliates on top of cleansing my skin, and so I'm very into that. I'm also very into skincare, so you'll see me being really bubbly and excited because I just love skincare. And I'm avoiding my brows mainly because I just got them tinted, and now we're gonna wash this off. So I am just doing, it's the same pre-cleanse, it's just now it's got some suds to go with it, so you're actually cleansing your face. Y'all, I promise you, I am in my happiest place when doing skincare. I just love, self-care, skincare. Now we're going to wash this off, just using a microfiber towel. And it's I'm so happy. Look at me. I'm, living. Smiling. We're happy, girl. And I don't know what this was, but I left it in because I thought it was so fun. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. But the product that is supposed to be put up now is the Dermalogica Double Cleanse Set again, but this is the special cleansing gel. So the first time I used the pre-cleanse, now this is the special cleansing gel. And I just use this as a way to make sure that everything's off my face. The pre-cleanse is good for when you're doing makeup, and it's also really good for extra residue to come off. The actual cleansing gel is going to do the cleansing portion. The oil just gets the stuff off. The cleansing gel makes sure that it's deep cleansed. And I'm using my towel once again. This time I wet my towel because I feel like it actually gets all of the suds out of my face, I'm doing a little dance here. And now we're going to go into the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are the travel size. I mostly use travel size for my skincare. And I put the Clinique Clarifying Lotion on top of the Facial Radiance Pads. So I get double the exfoliation and double the toner. So this is going to brighten my skin, but also make sure that my skin is nice and exfoliated and it's smooth and there's no leftover blackheads or anything. It's really nice. And I like using exfoliators like this instead of scrub ones like St. Ives. I cannot stand St. Ives. It tears your skin apart. That's why I like using these, because I just think that it's a better exfoliator and it doesn't hurt my skin as much. We like youthful skin. And I just throw that away. She's in the trash. And now my moisturizer, I'm just taking the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is the travel size once again. That's the birthday one, but you can get grapefruit or mango, I believe, in the travel size now. But I got the birthday one a while back and I've still been using it. So, as you can see, I'm so happy to be here. I just love skincare. I don't know why. I just light up under some skincare. And I'm just applying this all over my skin. I have to move my hair, but I do apply it. And don't forget your neck, guys. Don't neglect your neck. Your neck needs to be moisturized too. And it's soaked in now. I'm just taking my, I don't know why I didn't upload a thingy of this, but this is the same Ulta lip plumping top coat. I just love it. It's so good. It's my favorite lip gloss. Which I'm actually going to do another video on lip glosses because I've been loving some new ones. My skin is nice and moisturized and clean and fresh. Oh, love it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just saying bye. And I'm going to show you guys my shirt, which says Sunshine on My Mind, which is so cute. So on brand. We love it. Love that. So, thank you guys. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm so silly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will be doing another skincare routine for nightly, but this is just my post-workout skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.